So, yeah, sorry, my throat's a bit groggy, but you can hear, got the noise campaign going, and this has been going on with this same person for over a year now. They've been constantly, it was this side of the flats before, but now, I'll show you. See, they've got this garage here. This is the guy, who said, "Oh, sorry about the noise," but I guess they've recruited him again to do the noise campaign for him. You know what I mean? So I find that a lot. Yeah, I find that a lot sometimes. Like they'll back off. If I target them back, or sometimes not just that, they'll get a change of heart and then they'll come back and do the same shit again. You know what I mean? With the target. But yeah, that's just a noise campaign, man. I get guys hammering here all the time, man. Like the guy above me. Guys outside. You get the power tools. You get all that shit. Guys. There was a guy who used to constantly rev his car up and constantly slam the bonnet. But this is how they do the noise campaign to try and harass you. Like so. You know what I mean? But yeah. I mean, it's the same car, man, so you're telling me that car needs hammering for over a year. It's like, yo. It's just not.